Here are 3 fruits that are known for their nutritional benefits and can play a huge role in making you look young and vital. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. They are also a good source of vitamins C and K, fiber, and manganese. Regular consumption of blueberries has been linked to improved brain function, reduced inflammation, and better heart health. Avocados. While technically a fruit, avocados are often considered a healthy fat source. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which can promote healthy skin, aid in nutrient absorption, and support cardiovascular health. Avocados also provide vitamins K, E, C, and B6, as well as potassium and fiber. Oranges. Oranges are well known for their high vitamin C content, which is essential for collagen production, a protein that keeps the skin firm and youthful looking. They also contain folate, potassium, and dietary fiber. Oranges can support a healthy immune system, improve digestion, and contribute to overall well-being. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more videos like these. Thank you for watching.